Guys, I think I have a problem about this sync of the sound of this noise. Is this sync? Platypus zombies. Very annoying. Super loud. I mean, not super loud. Just a little bit. It's all about this guy. He is a sync who is doing the king sound. So this is gonna be super annoying. So I think hope you enjoy because it's super weird. So if you subscribe, I'm gonna do more videos. So see ya, man.